The benefits of mobile and heavy equipment repairs: your machine is repaired on site. You don't have to wait for it to be out and to come into the shop and be behind maybe 10 other vehicles or machines that are already in line ahead of you. While that mechanic is on site, he is dedicated to you and your equipment. We've told all of our mechanics, and we preach it, that the customer you are at is the most important customer at that time.
Well, the benefits are that you don't have to transport your equipment. You can have a mobile technician out there to take care of whatever the problem is. They go get the parts, they order the parts, they diagnose it, they bring it out, they take care of it. It's basically turnkey for you. You don't have to transport equipment, which can be very expensive, time consuming. Generally, it's a much easier method of maintaining your fleet or equipment than taking it into the shop.